Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Animatrix. Today, we're diving into something really exciting, a clean and professional 3D logo animation. Whether you're looking to elevate your brand or just add some sleek animations to your projects, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's see what we will create today.
Chest that won't go away. It's time for something new. Set foot for chapter 2 anew.
After rendering, if needed, you can import the sequence into a video editor for final touches, like adding sound effects or background music. And there you have it, a clean, professional 3D logo animation ready to impress. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on animation and graphic design. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.